These are the 6 best skills you can install in Claude Code right now. The biggest one is an entire development methodology that runs across 11 different coding agents. The smallest one is 3 sentences long. Here's the list. Superpowers, get shit done, grill me, Frontend Design, Frontend Slides, and research. By the end, you'll know which of these fit how you work and how to write your own. 3 are whole systems. 3 are small enough to read in a minute. Number 1, Superpowers, the closest thing skills have to a famous framework. You ask Claude to build something, and it jumps straight into code. No design, no plan, no tests, and 3 hours later, you're untangling what it built. Superpowers is Jesse Vincent's Fix, a complete development methodology packaged as a plugin, MIT licensed, working across 11 harnesses, from Claude Code to Codex to Cursor. The moment it sees your building, it stops and interviews you until it has a real spec. Then it writes a plan broken into tasks of 2 to 5 minutes each. Then a fresh subagent runs every task under strict test-driven development, failing test first. And their README says it plainly. It deletes code written before tests. The catch is the feature. Their words, mandatory workflows, not suggestions. Superpowers takes over your process, and if you like your own process, you will feel that. Number 2, get shit done. GSD, built around one problem. The longer a session runs, the worse your agent gets. Every file it reads and every command it runs piles into the context window, and quality quietly rots. GSD's answer? Never let the main session fill up. Every milestone runs the same 5-step loop. Discuss, plan, execute, verify, ship. The heavy work happens in subagents that each start with a fresh 200,000 token context. State files carry what matters between sessions. Now, the part install guides get wrong. The famous repo is frozen. Its README is just a pointer. Development moved to GSD Core, community run, MIT licensed, shipping actively. One command installs it into Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, and more. Number 3, grill me, from Matt Pocock's skills collection. Most bad code isn't a coding failure. It's a plan nobody ever pushed back on. Grill me interviews you about your plan. Relentlessly, it maps the project as a design tree, and each round asks every question that's currently answerable, numbered, each with a recommended answer. Your answers unlock the next layer. It ends when nothing is left silently assumed. My favorite rule in the file: finding facts is the agent's job, never yours. If a question needs something from the codebase, it sends a subagent to look it up. The catch: it won't write a single line of code. It's an interviewer, and it only starts when you ask to be grilled. Number 4, Frontend Design. This one is Anthropic's own. It exists to fight one thing: every AI-generated interface looking exactly the same. The skill literally names the cliches. The warm cream page with a serif font and terracotta accent. The near black page with one acid green highlight. The newspaper layout with hairline rules. It's verdict, defaults, not choices. So it makes Claude design a small system first, named colors, deliberate type, and one signature element. Best line in the file: spend your boldness in one place. Be clear about what it is: a single markdown file of design taste, Apache licensed, which also means you can open it, read it, and steal the method. Number 5, Frontend Slides, for the deck you need by Thursday. It builds presentations as one single HTML file. No frameworks, no build step. Inline styles, runs in any browser. Instead of asking you to describe an aesthetic in words, it shows you 3 visual style previews. You pick one and it builds the whole deck in that direction. It converts old PowerPoint files too, images included. Catches: decks are fixed 16:9 web pages. You export to PDF, not back to PowerPoint. And the 2 install commands go in as 2 separate messages. The README warns you itself. And number 6, the smallest thing on this list, and my favorite. Matt Pocock's research skill is basically 3 sentences. Spin up a background agent so you keep working while it reads. Investigate against primary sources, our official docs and source code specs, never someone's write-up of them. And save the findings to a markdown file, citing the source for every claim. That's the whole skill. And it fixes the worst habit agents have: quoting a blog post about the docs instead of the docs. Here's what this list teaches. A skill can be a whole methodology, and a skill can be 3 sentences, and it's all just markdown and read at the right moment. All 6 are MIT or Apache licensed, free to install, free to fork, free to copy the method. Start with the big ones, read the small ones, then write your own. If this saved you some digging, subscribe. We cover open source AI tools like these every week. See you in the next one.